Hello, Gundam fans! This is Gotbot, and today we're going to be looking at the super deformed Sazabi. And starting off, this is a really good model, even for a super deformed. All the colors will look really nice, the molding is really nice and surprisingly detailed. It's a pretty kit, especially for a $12 price. Let's get on with articulation. First things first, of course, is the head. The head, just because of how sunken it is, it can actually be difficulty to get it to 360 to the point where it'll pop off quite easily. You're gonna have to wrestle with it if you want to get it to a full 360. And next, we're going to do the arms. The arms do standard 360 motion, nothing really unusual for super deformed. The arms are on a ball joint, and I have noticed that they will pop out like that often. The hands, of course, standard 360 in a poly. Now, these extra armor will move, but it is also on a loose ball joint, so it'll pop off easily. Next, the holders for the funnel bits do kind of move off a ball joint. They don't pop quite as easy, but still do. The skirt plate, of course, moves up and down, not much else. And the side skirt plates just don't move. The legs, of course, are nothing special. The feet have a problem of popping off as well quite easily. Now on to stickers. This model actually doesn't have a lot of stickers. It has these for the fuel pods. It has, of course, the standard camera and eye joint. It has these two little in the crotch, along with the Chars emblem for Chars counterattack. And it has two on the knees, along with these black indents. Other than that, not really a lot sticker-wise. Next up, it's the mono eye gimmick, which you have to take apart the head a little bit. This is me realizing that I have taken off the wrong part. It is not the mouth armor, but it's rather this part of the head. They have to take off to get to the sliding. There we go. It's just a standard sliding mechanic for the mono eye, not much else. Next up is to the weapons. Let's start with this shield, which has a nice little Char emblem sticker on it. It actually has really nice detail for a super deform as well. And of course, in the back there is a little indent for the B-Max. It can be a little bit of a pain to get in, but that could just be my fat fingers. And of course, it goes on to the arm as such. Once again, my fat fingers are having a little bit of trouble getting it on, but that's more of my error than a problem with the model itself. There we go. Like I said, this will pop off real easily, so the next accessory is the effects for the funnels. It's a cool, really clever looking way to do it comparatively to like the high grades and such. Essentially, you just pop on the funnels onto these little indents right here, and then you pop it onto anyways, you pop it onto these holes. Alright, so first you add the beam sabers onto these indents. And then you put it in here. It's clever and it looks really cool. I do wish it went in different directions, but I mean, that is the limit of the model. And yeah. And that's the super deformed Sazabi. My thoughts are it's a simple, cute, and really cheap model option. It's not really challenging, but it is a super deformed, so there's nothing really to expect with that. It looks really nice, and honestly, this is probably one of the better super deforms. I want to cap this video off by thanking you guys. I know my last two videos have been kind of shaky with both quality and consistency. I mean, these are 3 videos in 2 years, but I am in a place where I'm going to start making better videos and more frequently. And I'm so glad y'all have stuck with the 2 years that I've done this. Thank y'all, and have a good day.